Right, just a quick one this morning, because a lot of people are asked about these dustbins, this water capture that I've got set up here, and it couldn't be simpler. But one thing is you do need a good, if you've not got them on the, so that you can, these are so that I can have a watering can underneath, then you do need a good sturdy base. But all they are is bog standard black dustbins with a hole and a water butt tap put in. You know, I picked these up for nothing, but you can buy dustbins brand new, but why if you can get them for nothing? So yeah, so taps put in there, and then the lids, I will disappear, I do apologise for that. The lids, we've just drilled holes all in there, and that, and we keep them up that way to catch the rain, obviously, and it stops any leaves and debris going in. And then when they're full, I just turn them up the right way. Do put a brick or something on them because they are going to blow about otherwise. But yeah, I mean, it couldn't be any simpler than that. And I think these were about 80 litres, so that's 240. Yeah, 240 litres, which in the summer is invaluable. But I can still do more, but you know, I don't want water butts everywhere around the garden. So yeah, they're good. So hope you found that useful. Okay, I'm going back in now because it is absolutely freezing. Right, see you again.